Hi students, how are you all? I hope all are well. Okay students, so in the last class we discussed about microorganisms and different types of microorganisms and cell structure. Okay, so today we will discuss about atoms, molecules, elements, compounds and mixtures. Okay, let us see what is the meaning of atoms. Okay, atoms are building block of matter. It is possible that a matter has seen more different types of atoms. Building blocks of some matters or molecules. A molecule is formed by combination of two or more atoms. Okay. These atoms can be of same or of different types of a large number of similar molecules together to form the matter. Oxygen and carbon dioxide gases are examples of molecules. In carbon dioxide molecule, atoms of oxygen and carbon are present in oxygen molecule only. Oxygen atoms are present a matter can exist in pure as well as impure form. Pure matter has two categories. One, element. Two, compounds. In elements, same type of atoms are found, whereas a compound contains different type of atoms. In fact, compounds are formed by molecules which are made up of different types of atoms. Pure gold is an example of element. It is made of same type of atoms. All the atoms in gold have same weight and size. Whereas rest on iron is an example of compound. It is made of iron and oxygen atoms. Similarly, carbon dioxide is also a compound as it is made of oxygen and carbon atoms. Even the building block of oxygen gas is a molecule. It is an element because an oxygen molecule has same type of atom. And pure matter are known as mixtures. Mixtures are formed by mixing elements or compounds. Together, a mixture can be combination of different elements or combination of different compounds or combination of compounds and elements. For example, see, salt water is a mixture. It has salt and water. Water is a compound. It is made of oxygen and hydrogen atoms. And salt is also a compound. It is made of sodium and chlorine atoms. Brass is an alloy. It is made of mixing copper and zinc. Both copper and zinc are elements. Okay students, let us see summary about matter. See, matter means anything that takes up. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, so matter, anything that takes up space and has mass. There are three groups of matter: elements, compounds and mixtures. Okay. Next, what is the meaning of elements? An element is the basic building block of matter. You cannot break matter down into a more pure substance than its elements. Example is, yes, gold. Find it on the periodic table, then it is an element. Next, compounds. Two or more elements that have chemically combined to form a different substance. You cannot separate the particles. Example, water, table salt, carbon dioxide. These all are compounds. Next one, molecules. Molecules are when two gases combine chemically, either be two of the same or two different gases. Examples, water is one molecule of water. Okay, and O2, that is also one type of molecule, and N2, H2. Okay, let us see pure substance. Its properties are constant throughout the whole sample, and elements and compounds are pure substance, but mixtures are not, because the properties of mixtures change throughout. Example, orange juice, it is a mixture. Water, it is a pure substance. Orange juice can be separated and water cannot be separated in the same way. Next one, mixtures. Definition is two or more elements that are physically combined, not chemically, can easily separate the parts. Let us see types of mixtures. This is very important, students. There are two types of mixtures. One is the homogeneous, that means same. Heterogeneous, that is different. Example, homogeneous, salt water, sugar water. Okay. Heterogeneous, example, milk. So what is the meaning of homogeneous mixtures? Have the same appearance and composition throughout. Each region of a sample is identical to all other regions of the sample. Example, salt water, sugar water and air. Okay students, this table is very important. So matter is divided into two things. One is the pure substance, another one mixture. In the pure substance is also again divided into two types, elements and compounds. Then mixtures, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture definition is, it consists of visibly different substances or phases. Examples, chocolate chips, cookies, oil and vinegar or oil and water. Okay, these are the examples for heterogeneous mixture. Let us see what is the meaning, what are the differences between solution and solute. Solution means a solution is a mixture of two or more substances. At least two substances must be mixed in order to have a solution. Okay. For example, salt and water. It is a solution. Mixture of salt and water. Mixture of sugar and water. Like that. Okay. So another important point. Solutes and solvents. In the salt and water, which one is the solutes? Which one is the solvents? See, the substance in a smallest amount or the one that dissolves or disperses is called a solute. That means in the sugar water, sugar is the solutes. The substance is the larger amount is called solvents. That means water. In sugar water, water is the solvent, sugar is the solute. Okay, understood? Students, let us see differences between concentrated and diluted. Solutions are mixtures. Their composition may vary over a very wide range. Okay. So concentrated solution has a relatively large amount of solute dissolved in a solvent. Diluted solution has a smaller quantity of solute dissolved. Next very important point, alloys. Alloys means a homogeneous mixture of two or more metals. Metals mixtures can have greater strength, hardness and malleability than by themselves. Examples. See the example. Brass, it is a mixture of copper and zinc. Stainless steel, it is a mixture of chromium, nickel and iron. Sterling silver, copper and silver. Okay students, I hope all are understand. Okay, so next class I will come with new topic. Okay, thank you.